yesterday I was talking about Ikea Queen. You know, everybody was bringing their opinions. Everybody was bringing their opinions. You know, Iao Costi bring your own opinion. So when Iao bring your opinion, he can't expect to me see what Ikea Queen they try to do. I can't still see reasons with what Ikea Queen they do. Say what Ikea Queen they do, Enogie, not clear. Because if you say you be pastor, they no need to go to the place again. If you say me will follow you serve God, means say now let Bible they serve, they serve juju. Not be say you go be pastor, you go get Oromila for your compound. Now Ikea Queen they do so. We talk that matter. Everybody bring their opinion. We rest. Me not gonna know it happen after I cut live video. This morning I wake up. A lot of my fans call they tell me say Epa Iao was insulting the people that was a guest Izzy Obedi on our platform. The moment I cut my live stream, she just gone on a platform. They insult the people. I say na lie.
Everybody say yes.
I can't tell person say na lie. Meanwhile, she herself for that live stream yesterday provoked me, but I was trying to be calm because they say elder now does being according to the way beneath the talker. So as an elder, you don't get some kind of thing where your younger ones will do you, where you go the like your speak offense. This is not the first time she's doing all these things. What should you do? When she brings a suggestion, you know, the listener, when she brings a suggestion to this platform, she go want to make everybody obey what she talk. This is not the first, this is not the second. One person coming from France, one person coming from Italy, one person they coming from Netherlands. If I know they insult everybody, wait, this way. I say, really? Somebody come send me screen recording. My sister, when me watch screen record, I shed tears. I swear to God. Because your opinion is your opinion and my opinion is my opinion. And if you want to talk on your opinion, you have no right to insult the people when they against what you talk. You have no right. You see everybody write yes. Everybody's writing yes. Everybody is writing yes. Even before you do what you do, for my own live stream yesterday, you shut me up with anger by saying, Ipa Becky, you said it. You said it. And when you went on your live stream, you said the same thing. You were against the people that said what Ikea Queen is doing is wrong. Because if person want to talk, how can you tell me to forget about the messenger and take the message from someone that have a porn site? I talk my own arrest. Everybody who clap up yesterday will support Ikea Queen. I insult them is a straight question. Did I insult anyone? I did not insult anyone. Everybody that was coming yesterday to support Ikea Queen, I was saying, God bless you. It's your suggestion. I didn't insult anyone. But you going to your platform to insult the people that was against Ikea Queen, I tell you for insult me. Because I was against her. You can just say your own and say, I support what Ikea Queen talk. Nobody will blame me for that. Nobody will blame me for that. You leave my live stream. You go on your live stream. You went there. You started insulting the people that are against Ikea Queen. Is that not the disrespect to me and to every other of my fans where you do PA follow? What's not true? This is not, you cannot deny this because you did it. This one not be say you do them. You even people were climbing. People were clapping and saying, I tire, oh, I tire, oh, I tire, oh, I just tire. Person not fit talk in mind. When you know, say, now my platform, all of us will come out. What should be say, it's not true. You said it. Thousands of people not feel lie for your head. You are always like this. Like when you bring suggestions, you go want make it stand. I can't tell you say that way they do no good. Before, if you can't bring suggestion, now you can't wait. Before you go down straight. If what you bring on, we no one follow on, you go down. Everybody cannot be. Everybody, you know, for your breed, you cannot supersede everybody. You be here, oh, everybody has their names. Not be the crazy, you the mad. Not be person they insult person for this life. Because a lot of people here yesterday was against the Queen. Only few people support the Queen. So you going to your platform to say, na so na be, na so na wicked, na so na heartless is an insult. You the crazy, you the man, not be the thing they insult person. You the man, you the crazy, is not an insult. I pray, oh, it's an insult. If you want to support a Queen, you have every right to support a Queen. But insulting the people when they against them is a zero no for me. You did it. Nobody should tell me it's okay. I have every right to quarrel because nobody let me why he do it to. He do it to everybody that supported that was against the Queen yesterday. He did it. See, when someone is wrong, man, they tell the person the truth. Don't sugarcoat it. You say it live that you are wrong, so that she will know. So that's what she do is wrong. If you can do this as my PA.
Give me 1 minute. He say, as far as you don't call yourself shake, you go still finish. You don't toast them. What do you say? You don't toast them.
That is the wait. I mean, may I quickly refer that part. Side chick with my wife they call her is a mere joke.
Do you say you don't toast them?
Yeah, is a younger sister to me. Apart from our foundation issues, or maybe when I do birthday, she wish me, I wish her. She do now. She first do before me. That's it. Yeah, I would not be even single girl like that. She's a married woman.
Married woman with baby.
She has a child. Her husband dey Europe. So, what are you saying? So don't say that. Say side chick. That was just a. Everybody know, even baby, my pikin wey they born yesterday, no say that joke. You don't say that. You don't do that. I hate people that will purposely do something and tell you that they did not do it. I hate it.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
You have to come here and apologize to every one of us that you insulted yesterday in your platform. Yes, you should apologize because that thing, Adamio, that Adamio.
Mute first.
If I offend you, I mean, no, they talk sorry. If me offend you, nah, she be I apologize. More not the right part. Sorry, not because not be me, not be let me want to talk about against the Queen. A lot of my fans that climbed this platform yesterday, it was wrong. If anybody wants to banter me, not you, maybe my PA, not you, will still be our own. You are not just a fan, you are a PA.
You don't do me forgive and beg. No, the thing still vex me. You have forgive and beg.
And you see the feel say you not offend me.
Even when he shout for you, say, I beg you, I want to talk there, you control myself.
You like for you old mad now. She feels she's doing the right thing.
Yes, God do not beg.